Hey everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. This is video part 2. Yeah, the zoo. In the last video, we talked about the zoo, right? And you guys have told me so many things why you like the zoo. Yeah. You know, Teacher Shane is from America, from New York. I have been to the Bronx Zoo. The Bronx Zoo is a very big zoo, bigger than Taipei Zoo. Yeah, you have to get up very early in the morning and you have to stay there the whole day to see everything in the Bronx Zoo. Yeah, but in Taipei, it's a little small. So, I have 2 questions I need to ask you in this video. Here we go. Have you ever been to another zoo in Taiwan? You can say yes or no. The second question, what's the difference between Taipei Zoo and the other zoo you have been to? Yeah, what's the difference? Here's an example. Teacher Shane went to the Bronx Zoo in America. Yeah, the Bronx Zoo is bigger than Taipei Zoo. Yes. Okay guys, we have come to the end of our video, right? So now it's your turn to answer my questions. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.